What is up, guys? It's your boy Logan, and we are back on the Logan Brown Show. For today, you already know, you clicked on this video. I'm about to show you how to find your own style. Now, before going online just buying random things and trying to figure out what it is, stop. Put the wallet down, okay? And just stop right there. You need to know what you're looking for first. You need to define the things that you like to wear. And by doing that is inspiration. Yes, finding the inspiration creates the knowledge on your own style. And that's how we do create your style, is by the knowledge from the inspiration. So, what I did for you guys, I put the inspiration right down in the bio. Yes, click the link and just look through all the inspiration. You'll know what I mean when you see it, but just click it and trust me. That's the very first step in the right direction. But, you're not gonna become the style guru that you've always wanted to be automatically, all right? It's gonna take some time, it's gonna take some trial and error. And trust me, I've had some trial and error. Now, looking through the list of inspiration, you're gonna find a lot of things that you like, but you gotta find what looks good on you. Because not everybody can wear everything, you know, but not everything looks bad at the same time. What I'm trying to say is, you have to find what really appeals to you. It's gonna take a while for you to really find out what your style outcome will actually be. After trial and error and just finding and seeing like, oh, okay, maybe this doesn't look too good. But like, oh no, this looks good, but those shoes look bad, but those shoes look good. Wait, maybe if I put this good thing with that good thing, and then make the whole thing good, you're gonna be walking out the house feeling good, boy! That's the whole thing. You'll be walking out the house feeling good. That's all I'm trying to say. But wait. The most important factor is, don't ever wear something that someone else tells you to wear and that you don't like, alright? That's a big no-no, because think about it. For example, if I did not like this jacket and it did not feel good to wear, why would I force myself to wear it when I feel uncomfortable? Yeah, other people might like it, might like seeing me wearing this, like, oh, it's sick jacket. But if you didn't like it for yourself, don't wear it. Don't wear clothes that you don't feel good in. I physically feel good in this coat. It's fuzzy, it feels nice, it's soft. It's cold as heck in the studio right now, but I'm feeling warm, right? And that's just how it is. Never wear something that you don't like wearing. Because then you're just gonna be forcing yourself to wear something uncomfortable that you don't wanna wear. And why do you want your style to be something uncomfortable? That's an important thing to keep in mind. Don't force yourself to wear something that people are gonna think that looks good, but you don't think that looks good. Because overall, it's better to just have good with good rather than like good to somebody else rather than yourself. We're trying to make your style a positive, good thing. But at the very end of this, you will become stylish, alright? And that's the whole goal, is being able to keep and hold that style, then you'll be stylish forever, alright? And it's gonna take time to get there, but you gotta climb the ladder. You gotta take that stairway to stylish heaven. That's all I'm trying to say. But you're gonna be seeing a lot of things. You're gonna be seeing new things, alright? You're gonna be seeing stuff that pops up that people are creating, like, oh, look at this new shirt. Everybody's wearing this shirt now. Look at these new pants. Everybody's wearing these pants now. Look at a new hat. Everybody's wearing this hat now. What's new isn't important. It's what's you that's important. Haha, see what I did there? Alright? That's what's important, is you and your style. Because the thing is about trends die, but style is forever.